Welcome to the forefront of evolution, where technology meets tomorrow. Because the future is AI.
Ever wondered if AI could take your job one day? Every time a new AI tool appears, people ask, will humans still be needed? AI is growing faster than ever. It writes articles, creates images, edits videos, answers questions, analyzes data, and even advises companies. But here's the truth, AI will replace some tasks, not every job. History shows technology changes jobs and creates new ones. Jobs with repetitive tasks like data entry, basic support, and simple bookkeeping are more at risk. AI does these faster and cheaper. But creativity, emotional intelligence, leadership, and real-world problem solving? Those need humans. Think doctors, teachers, artists, and entrepreneurs. AI is a powerful assistant. Learn to work with it, and you'll be faster, smarter, and more valuable than ever before. So, will AI replace your job? Maybe some tasks, maybe your entire industry. But those who adapt and use AI will win. The future isn't AI alone. It's humans who know how to work alongside AI. The real question, will someone using AI replace someone who isn't?